Welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make money by giving away things for free, which doesn't sound, it doesn't sound realistic, does it? However, it is realistic, and in this video I'm going to share with you step by step how this works. I'll share with you a number of examples of where I've done this method myself. I'll share with you some potential earnings and basically how much money you can make. And also look, if you want free resources for earning online, you can join my members area. There's courses, ebooks, PDFs and lots more. And if we come over here to where it says courses, I'll share with you some examples of giving away something for free. So over on my website, you can see here I have different courses I give away for free. So for example, I've got my affiliate course, I have got my YouTube course, and then we've also got this one down here, this affiliate bootcamp. And this is a free course which I give away on my website. It's not something I have actively done for a long time really, or promoted this, but this is one example whereby I give something away. You can see this is for free and I can earn money with this. Now there's other ways you can do this. So for example, this, you see this over here, this is a piece of software. It's called Jasper, and you see here, look, let Jasper write your marketing copy for free. Okay, so someone can try this completely for free. You see over here, look, your friend gave you 10,000 words to try Jasper for free. So I give this away for free with my own affiliate link. And this is just, these are not the only platforms where you can do this. You can even go on a platform like ClickBank and you can find something to give away for free and you can earn money on the back end. So a classic example of this is if I go to this product here and just type in dog training, and I'll scroll down here and I'll show you this really quickly. Go to this brain training for dogs. You see this one here. I'm going to click on affiliate page, and in a second I'm going to scroll down here. So look, looking for banners, giveaways and more, click here. So look, free giveaways. You can offer these free giveaways to your visitors. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to go over here and look at the aeroplane game. And if I scroll down here, you can download this game, how it works. But basically, inside of this freebie that you give away, you have your affiliate link back over to this product over on ClickBank, where you can earn, on average, $31.55 for giving away a free game here. And this is just one example over on ClickBank. You can find hundreds of these. Most of these products on here where they have an affiliate page, they will have some form of a freebie which you can give away. But look, you can also do this with CPA marketing and many more. Now if I come back over here, let's go over to ClickBank. In fact, let's go over here, I'll show you this as well. So I'll show you on the back end of this. So you see this one over here, this Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. So this product over here, over on courses here, that I've included to give away for free, so people can learn about affiliate marketing completely for free in 100 days. And it's a great course, by the way. But come over here, what happens here is, so this is my own affiliate link, and you can see on here, look, potential earnings. You can earn $100 for every person who enrolls in the One Funnel Away challenge after registering for the free Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. Now, the reason why many companies and software providers email their lists and things about free resources like this is because what happens is somebody will sign up to this affiliate bootcamp, they will go through that, they will get value and see just how good it is, and at the end of it they'll say, well, if you enjoyed this, you might enjoy this One Funnel Away challenge. And if people go ahead and sign up to that, then you can earn money. So you can see on here, in total, 1,522 people have gone over to my website, clicked on the link here, they've landed over onto the free affiliate page, which is, where's my mouse gone? Over here. They've landed on here. 7 people have gone through the course and then they've signed up for the One Funnel Away challenge, and I've earned $580 for people doing so. Over on Jasper here, whereby I give them this free affiliate link, they sign up, they try it for free, they realise, just how good this is, the potential of this, and then in this example, I earn a recurring income each month from people who have trialed this, they've gone through this, and now they're, continuing with that service. And as I've mentioned, over on ClickBank here, you can find hundreds of products where you can give something away of value completely for free and you earn money on the back end. And this is just a few examples for you. You can create your own products as a giveaway, as a freebie. So for example, if I come over here, see this one here, this Not Taught at School YouTube Academy. Inside of this course, I walk them through the process of getting a YouTube channel up and monetized, how to make money and other bits. And somewhere inside of this free course, I say to them, if you enjoyed this course, why not take it to the next level and check out YouTube Passive Profits, which is whereby, I am walking them through the whole process. We look at funnels and other bits, but hopefully, they've gone through that free course, they've seen that there's value in there, and they want to take it to the next level. These are just a few examples of things you can give away completely for free to make money. Now, you might be wondering, how can you do this yourself? Well, you've got a few options. First option is you can go onto a website like ClickBank here, sign up for free, and then scroll through and find products which have an affiliate page. You click on the affiliate page and you have a look at the different free resources that they're giving away. You can also go up to the search bar up here and we'll just type in free, like so, and we'll scroll down here and look, free don't tread on me flags. Come down here, free second, what is that? Gunrite silver coin. Gun owners will love this free plus shipping. So, I'm sure you've seen this previously in the past. So, if I click on here, I'll open this up. So, this is the page. Look, free silver plated, what is that? Permit coin. Today's price is free. And basically, how you earn money, promoting this where someone's getting something completely for free is normally it's on the shipping. So, they have to pay the shipping, which is inflated to essentially cover the cost of the product, and you can earn money there. And on any of these products, if you click on affiliate tools and the affiliate page, they will show you this is free and this is free. These are the current offers. Come down here. Golf balls are free. Come down here, look, giving away hats and other bits. So yeah, there's lots of different things whereby you can find free plus shipping and you can give them away for free. Now, how do you get traffic to these free offers? Well, there's a number of ways you could do this. You could create YouTube videos, whereby you're creating a video about this free collectible here, this thing over here, this one, any of these. You could create content on a free website or a free blog. You could go on Quora and find people asking questions over on there. You could even create a Facebook group, around freebies and free promos. You could do an Instagram page like we have shared so many times over on this channel. And that's just a few different ways how you can drive traffic. You can also take it a step further and start building an email list whereby, people are interested in affiliate offer in freebies, and you can send out a weekly email about, all of the free products that are available. And look, I'll show you an actual example. If we go over onto Instagram, and we'll just type in freebies, because I know people are doing this method because it works. It works incredibly well. So what's this say? Only allow, let me just click on there, and let me just click on continue, and I'll type in freebies. Now over on Instagram, this method, it's not hard, it's an image, and let me click on that, it's just an image and a link essentially. So if I type in here, we're going to type in freebies. You can see here, look, star freebies, freebies UK, all of these ones. So if I was to go into any one of these, so let's just go on freebies_lovely. You can see 400 posts, 1,150 followers. Look, this free. All these are freebies. Now, some of these, products on here, they could be from ClickBank, they could be from companies, but a lot of the time they're probably with a method known as CPA marketing. And I'll link a video up on the screen for you, which walks through, how to find freebies that you can give away with affiliate with this method over here with CPA marketing. But essentially, this is how a lot of people are earning money giving away products online for free. They give away something of value. Somebody, goes through that and enjoys that. Then they start a trial, they start taking up the software, and or, they buy the product that they was originally interested in. A bit like this one over here, this free brain training for dogs. It genuinely isn't a hard process. At the core of this, it's all about affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you can go check out the links down below. I'll link over to some of the most popular articles on my website about affiliate marketing. And I'll also drop a link to this article here for you as well. This one. How lots of ordinary people are making thousands sharing products, because it genuinely is a straightforward process. So look, if you've got any questions, let me know, leave them down below for me. If you've enjoyed the video, give the video a like, I'd really appreciate that. But yeah, that's today's video, so I'll see you soon.